back, folks. So to start off, let's go over the question that we did last time. Oops. So we had 5 times 3 minus 7 divided by 7. So using, let's say, BEDMAS, since both multiplication and division show up first, we have to do whichever one first appears on the left. So in that case, because multiplication shows up first, we're going to be doing this one first. So 5 times 3 first. So doing 5 times 3, we get 15. And leaving us with 15 minus 7 divided by 7. Since there's still division, we're going to be doing 7 divided by 7 second, which gives us 15 minus 1. And since that's the only operation left, we're going to do the subtraction last, leaving us with an answer of 14. So hopefully you guys were able to get that answer correctly. If not, don't worry about it. We'll do more practice questions later on. But moving on for today's topic, we're going to be adding on exponents today. So when it comes to order operations, so we know BEDMAS again, BEDMAS, we know brackets, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. We've gone over them, and you should know them pretty well. The thing I haven't talked as much about is exponents here. And what exponents are is just consecutive multiplication of the same number. So for example, if I have 2 to the power of 4, this 4 tells me that I'm multiplying 2 at the same time 4 times. So for example, I'm doing 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So which gets me 16, which is what basically, so again, exponents is just a way for us to do consecutive multiplication of the same number multiple times. So for example, if we do 2 to the power of 4, that 4 tells us that I'm multiplying 2 4 times over and over and over again to get me a total of 16. So exponents are important because they're the second operation that we have to do right after doing everything inside the brackets, and then following and before doing any multiplication, division, or addition and subtraction. So let's do an example. So for example, let's say I have 4 to the power of 2 plus 3 times 2. So in the case, looking at our acronym again, since we don't have any brackets, so let's looking at BEDMAS again. Since we don't have any brackets, we don't have to do any brackets. What follows next is that we have to do our exponents. So we're going to be doing this operation first. So we got 4 to the power of 2, which is basically saying 4 times 4, and that gets us 16. 16 plus 3 times 2. Next thing we're going to do is that we're going to multiply these two numbers, 3 times 2. Since that obviously falls after doing multiplication. And that leaves us with 16 plus 6. And then lastly, and not least, we're going to add these two numbers to get us an answer of 22, like so. All right, so let's have you guys do an example now. So, like before, I have 3 plus 7 in brackets plus 2 to the power of 3. So for this one, like before, I want you to do this on your own, on a separate piece of paper, and I want you to post a comment with your answer. Let me know what you got, and then we'll go over it in the next video.